Hey guys, it's fun size to be here, and I just wanted to show you my 2015-2016 firework stash. Alright, well, let's start with the little stuff. We got little packets of jumping jacks. I got these at Alamo Fireworks.
Maximum load M17 crackers. Big fireworks.
Alright, then we have the Top Fuel race car. It's by Brothers. This thing is cool.
We got some new small bees made by Cutting Edge.
Those are alright, not bad. And then we have these Whistling Super Chasers. These are pretty cool, and these are really loud, so I highly recommend them.
These are speedballs made by World Class Fireworks. They just spin around.
Alright, up next we have the Freaky Eyes. These are for mostly kids, but they're fun to play with.
We have a tank made by Alamo Fireworks. Pretty cool in wars.
Alright, up next we have Crackling balls by World Class Fireworks. They're alright.
We have other crackling balls.
The jumbo 1.5 inch crackling balls.
4 pieces.
Then we have 2 packs and a half of satellites. This spin on the floor and then spin upwards. These are really cool.
We have some cuckoo fountains made by Shotgun Fireworks and Phantom Fireworks.
Then we have 4 double parachute fireworks, daytime, made by Boomer. They're pretty cool. Get them.
We have more cuckoo fountains. Well, this is Junior Cuckoo made by Mega Banger.
Alright, up next we have a bunch of these crackers. Forgot the brand, but we still have them. Alright. Then we have this fountain. It's heat stroke. It's alright. Got it in a
Red Apple.
no. We got this from I don't remember. Whatever.
We have some Saturn missiles made by Onion. Pretty cool.
Alright, up next we have this color pearl flower made by Boomer. 48 shots. It's alright. It's a little crappy. We got snappers.
Twinkly stars. Alien brand. They go up. Cake.
It's a little cake. It's alright.
We have some sparklers, Alamo, and Mega Banger brand.
Alright. And then I have a whole brick of ground bloom crackling by Shogun. These are really cool, and they were only like $5 for the brick, for the whole brick. Really cheap. Alright, now with the big stuff. Okay, so now we're on with the assortments. we have the Canon Fireworks Holiday Assortment. We got this at Alamo Fireworks in Amargosa Valley, Nevada. It's a really cheap assortment. It was, I believe, $15. It has some small bees. It has color dancing balls, some snakes. It has a Roman candle in it. It has snappers, tank. It has some fountains in it too. And a giant crackling cone. It was cheap. It was alright. Now on with the
family pack.
Yeah.
This is my Star. This is an assortment of family pack made by Mega Banger. Got it at
Red Apple Fireworks
Red Apple
in Pearl, Nevada.
It's a safe and sane. It has some snappers. Basically everything's fountain except the ground blue.
And it's got some sparklers. This is for the little kids to play. I got it for my daughter, so let's hope they have fun with it. Alright, and then we got First Day Firework Kit by Alien. I got this at Area 51 Fireworks. These are pretty cool. I got this for $29.99, and it was a buy one get two free. So I got 3 of these plus one more that they gave me free for buying over $200. So they're alright. I already opened one and they're alright. They're not that awesome, but they're okay for the price. Alright, and then next we go with the rockets. Okay, so now we're on with the rockets. This is Flying Color Butterfly Rocket by Mega Banger. We got this in, where did we get it?
Alien.
Red Apple.
No.
It was an Alien.
Alien? No.
Red Apple.
No, we got this in Alamo Fireworks. Yeah, we got this in Alamo Fireworks. It's alright. We'll see how it goes with that. And then we have Clustering Bees by Mega Banger. And then we have Glitterous Lights Rockets by Mega Banger. Doesn't show what it does, but oh, it reports with the star, I guess. Alright, next we have a Wild Geese Rocket by Boomer. Yeah, so we got all these packs. There's 6 in each. We got them for like $2-3 a pack, so really cheap. And then now we got the
Thor missile. We got this at Red Apple. Pretty big. Haven't seen it. Can't wait.
We got the Screaming Cracklers Rocket by Brothers. I seen it. We got it before, and it's pretty cool.
Alright, now we have the Texas Rocket, the classic. This one is comes with report, and it has 12 in the pack. They're really cool. They're really loud. And then we got these at Red Apple Fireworks. They're huge. It's all right here. They're 38 giant rocket, 38 inch by Mighty Max. We got these. We thought they were cool. They were big, but we've seen that they're really crappy. So don't know about these. Don't get them. Okay, now we're gonna go with the cakes and the other big stuff. So now we're on with the big stuff, the cakes, artillery shells, and some other cool stuff.
This is called Happy Fireworks. It's from Mega Banger. We haven't seen it yet, but we can't wait to see it. We'll see how it is. It's 16 shots.
Okay.
These are day parachutes, 40-inch, made by Boomer. Pretty cool.
Alright, so now we have the Super Stallion. These are really cool. These are 16 shots. Really heavy. It's a 200-gram cake. These are really worth the money. And they're only like $7. So get these. That's the performance right there. You can pause the video. Wait to right there. Okay.
These are the 1-inch bombs. They have 6 breaks. We haven't seen them yet. And we can't wait to see them. We'll see how cool they are.
They're really small though. You can tell. Little small box. Alright. So now we have we have some Roman candles here. That's all we got. We got these at Phantom Fireworks. They were cheap, so we just got them. Alright. And we have some more candles.
This one's also called Happy Fireworks. 36 shots, and they're by Alien. Still haven't seen this one yet, but we can't wait to do it either.
Yeah, and these were really cheap. It was buy one get two free, so let's see how they go. Alright.
These are B3 Bomber. They're from Mighty Max. Haven't seen them. Can't wait.
These were like $5.
Yeah.
6 pieces on them. Alright, so now we're with the artillery shells. It's by Dragon. They're really cool. I highly recommend these. They're quality improved. They're awesome. And they're really cheap. They were like $10. Yeah. Alright.
These ones are voodoo balls. They have 12 special effects. They're by Alamo Fireworks. We already did 6 of them, and we love them.
Yeah,
pretty loud and beautiful colors.
You can see the effects right here. These are awesome. Yeah.
Highly recommend them.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're off with the
more artillery shells. These are called Fiesta Balls by Alamo Fireworks.
They don't have the
6 pieces.
Yeah, they don't have the performance in here, but we've seen these. They're really cool.
We have the Ferris Wheel. We got this one at Red Apple. The emits showers of sparks. We seen a video of it, and I got it because I really liked it. We can't wait to do it.
Actually, in this one was a bit pricey. It was $20. So let's hope it's good, because $20 is a bit too much for it. Alright. So now we're on with the big cake. We got this Fiesta. It's a super load, 500 gram. It shoots flaming balls with reports. It doesn't really say the performance, but
It's by Firehawk, and we got that at Red Apple.
We got this at Red Apple, so it's really cool. We're trying to find how many shots it has. Or look for the shots.
5.
3, 6, 9, It has 16 shots. They're not a lot of shots, but it's a really big cake. Let's hope it's good. Alright, so this is our New Year's stash, firework stash. Oh, we forgot this one. We have one more. We have a, oh crap, Strictly Classified cake by Alien. We actually got this for free, along with the fireworks aid kit. And yeah, I don't know why we got this for free, but the lady said it was a promotion, so we just got it. But I've seen videos and some of them misfire, so let's hope it's good. Alright, so this is all our stash. Hope you enjoy it. Comment and like. If you'd like to see a demo of any of these, please comment below and tell me which one.
And subscribe.
Subscribe.